iconic moments together naman. So, I think it's only fair that we have some of our 18s up on stage for a chance to play a fan fest game with all of you. Okay lang ba, guys?
Okay.
Yes, okay. So let us meet the lucky Xiaomi fans and 18 members who will be joining SB19 for a special game.
Nice meeting you.
Alright, now that our players are here, I think we're ready to play the Fan Fest Chica! Okay friends, here are the mechanics. We will have 2 teams to be formed with a mix of SB19 members and fans, okay? So each team will have, will be split in half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're going to separate you guys and a message will be given to the first player in the team. They must whisper the message to the next player. And the last player of the team has to say or guess the message correctly, word for word. Each team will go at the same time. So the first team to reach 2 points will win the game. It's simple, okay? But each round, we will be able to see who has the best listening and comprehension skills. Okay, so we have our teams ready. Team 1 and Team 2. Alright, we're just sorting out the logistics here. Simple lang to. The first person in line will receive a piece of paper with a special message. Tapos whisper na lang, okay? Until the end. The most correct phrase gets the point. Are we ready? Team members, are we ready? Ready? Okay. How about this team right here? Okay, we have our messages. They will be handed to you. There you go, Steph. All right. So, we have to see which member has the best memory. Diba? So, memorize muna, guys. Take your time.
Very competitive naman itong mga kalaban.
Cheer them on, guys. Wish them luck. It's getting serious. Their thinking face is on.
Habang nasa ulo sila, sasayaw muna si Justin ng I Want You. Sabi ko, habang nagsasaulo sila, sasayaw ko muna ng I Want You. Bakit may ganun silang decision nun? Bakit? Saan galing yun? Nag-confront kami dito. Pablo! Okay, tapos na sila magsaulo ako, guys, Ron!
Stall, ayusin mo, Stall, ha?
Alright, here we go. We're about to start. Wish them luck, 18! Scream as loud as you can! Okay, on my mark. Ready, set, go! I'm gonna keep it real quiet here so they can focus. But you guys scream if you want. Relaying to all members, you can only tell the message once. Stel, stop that. No more coaching.
Stel. Stel.
I'm warning you, Stel. No more teaching. We're almost at the end of the line for one team.
Coaching.
No cheating, okay, no more helping. Once you pass the message on, leave the other members alone. Okay, team 1 is ready. We're waiting for team 2. Hold on to it, okay? Keep it memorized. No more double coaching. Since this team is done, no more talking to the last member. Just to be fair, okay? Just to be fair. Keep it memorized. The moment of truth. Knows it. Okay, we'll go over here because they were first. All right, go. What is the message?
You can make every moment iconic with the Redmi Note 13 Pro Series because of its 200 megapixel main camera.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. We're moving on over here. All right, let's go. Moment of truth.
We can make every moment iconic. We can make every moment iconic with Redmi Note 13 Pro Series 5G with 200 megapixel camera.
All right, 18. We have a winner. The winner is none other than Team 1! Thank you to SB19 and thank you to our Xiaomi fans and 18 for playing that game. Our fans will be taking home 18 with the most points, wins an XFF Cup, a photo card, and a sticker pack. Let us have one group photo to commemorate this moment all together now. Please come in.